friends, this is Dattatreya from Smiley Sattva YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain how to do multiplication in different methods. Are you ready? Okay. And one thing I should say you is, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share my videos, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and don't forget to comment if the video is good or bad. Okay, now let's see the different types of multiplications. Now we know in our primary classes, nothing but from 1 to 5th we have learnt about numbers, additions, subtractions, multiplications and divisions and many. So now in that a main part, nothing but multiplications is going to play a main role in our higher studies. So this multiplication should be done within 3 to 5 seconds. Yes or no? So for doing the multiplication in 3 to 5 seconds, we should know some tricks how to do multiplication. So if we do multiplication in a long process, which is said in primary classes, it will be lot of time waste in our future examinations, nothing but online exams. Okay, so in this way, if you lose your time, you can't able to attempt all the questions. So I have brought you 8 methods. Are you ready to learn those 8 methods? Okay, come on. So our topic is multiplications. Multiplications. Okay. So now I am going to take first method. Nothing but regular method. How to find the answer? Let's see. So I am going to take one question. Nothing but 25 into 32. Okay, it's my own. So I will calculate this one by how the teachers will tell in primary classes and how people, nothing but students will do this in normal process. Okay, that is our first method. So 25 and into 32. The students usually write in this way, and they should do multiplication. So first of all, 2 5s are 10. So 0, 1. 2 2s are 4 and plus 1 5. Into, now 3 5s are 15, 5. Okay, 3 5s are 15, 5 and 1. 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. So if you do here addition, you will get 0 and 5 plus 5 10 0, 1. So 7 plus 1 8. So 800 is our answer. So this is our first method. Okay, now we are going to learn second method. Are you ready? Okay. So our second method is, let's take only this example. Okay. So 25 into 32. If we take same example, you can say that this answer is right or wrong when the answer is coming. So in this, take any one number and it can be written in the form of, let's take 25 in this method. So this 25 can be written as 20 plus 5, isn't it? And into 32 in this way. Okay. So now this 20 into 32 and 5 into 32. It can be written as 20 into 32 and 5 into 32. So expand that one. So you will get 20 into 32 plus 5 into 32, isn't it? Now 20 plus 32 gives you, see 20, 32 now. In here you can know one basic multiplication, nothing but first this one. Okay, 0 into 2, 0. Now 2 2's 4, 4. Okay, next 3 2's are 6, so 640 is our answer, this one. Okay, so 640 plus 5 32's. 5 2's are 10, 0, 1, 5 3's 15, 1 16. Okay, now if you see 600 plus 100 gives 700 and 40 plus 60 gives you 100. So 700 plus 100 gives you 800. So this is our answer. So in this second method also you got 800. Okay, now let's try to do third method. Okay, have you understood these two methods? If you want to take a screenshot, I'm going to erase this. Okay, these are two okay, I will do over here. So our third method is also 25 into 32, same question, I am going to take it. So now 25 into 32. Now I am going to take, now here I took 25 and divided it as 20 plus 5. Now I am going to take 32 and I will write it as 30 plus 2. Are you ready? Okay. So 25 into 30 plus 2. Okay, I am going to take in this way. Now here I wrote 20 into 32 and 5 into 32. So as it is here also, 25 into 30 plus 25 into 2. Okay, same. So now do multiplication for this. So I'm erasing. Now 25 into 30 they are asking. So if you see this one, 5 into 0 0. Now cross multiply, 5 3 is 15. Okay, now 2 3 is 6. Now if you see here, if you take 0 and 5, 6 plus 1 gives you 7. So 750 is our answer for 25 into 30. So plus 550, 25 into 2 gives you 50. So 750 plus 50 gives you 800. So here also you got answer as 800. Yes or no? So now let's try fourth method. Okay. So our fourth method. Okay, this is our fourth method. Now in the first method we have done normal multiplication, and then I took 25 as 20 plus 5 and done the addition and multiplication also. And next method I took 30 and divided as 30 plus 2 and done up to last. So now in here I am going to take 25 into 32, same question, and I am going to divide both. So 20 plus 5 and 30 plus 2. Okay. So 20 plus 5 into 30 plus 2. Can I write it in this way? Okay. So now I am going to see, I am going to now multiply this both and next this both. Okay. First this one and this one. Next this one and this one. Next this one and this one. Next this one and this one. Okay. So now 20 into 30 gives you 600 plus 20 into 2 gives you 40 plus 5 into 30 gives you 150 plus 5 into 2 gives you 10. 5 2s are 10. So if you see here, 600 plus 100 is 700. 700. Okay, leave that 700 as it is. Now 600 we should write, plus 40 plus 10 gives you 50. 50 plus 150, isn't it? Now 50 plus 150 gives you 200. Isn't it? Now 600 plus 200 gives you 800. So these are the four methods I want to say you. So now let's recap the video. So here I took 25 into 32 and I done it is the normal process, so I got 800. So this is normal regular process. Okay. Now I am going to take 25 into 32. So I done 25 as 20 plus 5 and I done 20 into 32 one time and 5 into 32 one time. 20 into 32 gives you 640 and 5 into 32 gives you 160 and 640 plus 160 gives you 800. So as it is here you got 800 over here also. Now let's try this one. Same question is taken and this 25 is taken down as it is and 32 can be written as 30 plus 2. So now how here we done 20 into 32, 5 into 32 as it is here also. 25 into 30 plus 25 into 2. So now 25 into 30 can be written as 750 and 25 into 2 can be written as 50. So 750 plus 50 gives you 800. So in all three methods you got 800. So answer is right. Now let's try fourth method. So fourth method is 25 into 32, same question. Now this 25 can be written as 20 plus 5 and this 32 can be written as 30 plus 2. So as this I wrote. Now this 20, now here you should do 20 into 30 one time and 20 into 2 one time and 5 into 30 one time and 5 into 2 one time. Okay. So now 20 into 30 gives you 600. Why? So 2 3s are 6 and 2 zeros. Okay. So next 20 into 2 40 and 5 into 30 150 and 5 into 10 10. 5 2s 10. Okay. Now 600 I wrote as this and 40 plus 10 50 and 150 as this. So 150 plus 50 gives you 200. So 600 plus 200 is 800. And I hope you like this video. For this I know again 4 more tricks as this. Now here I told multiplication only 4 tricks. I have other 4 more tricks and wait for that video. Until then, bye bye.